This is the off-grid Scorpion Blackout V2 folding knife. It's all titanium frame with carbon fiber inlays. Nice jipping there. It is a deep pocket carry. The frame, all the hardware, pocket clip, the screws are recessed by the way, is all titanium. Nice flipping action. The steel is made out of Bohler M390 steel. It has a black-wash DLC tumbled finish. It is a 4-inch blade. Nice jipping right there. It feels great in the hand. I have medium-sized hands, you can see that. 4-inch blade, folks. This is a high-quality knife for a reasonable price. This is the off-grid Scorpion Blackout V2.